Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. We are at Whole Chunk Madison today, Lion Link. I have played this game a couple times on my channel. Last time it was here at Whole Chunk, I did really well. So we're gonna start with $40 and we're gonna play the same machine that I played the last time I was here. It's got a rooster. I have chickens. We recently had a rooster. We didn't know we had a rooster until it got bigger and we had to get rid of it. But in honor of my no longer rooster, we're gonna play Lion Link. All right, we're gonna start with $40. Like I said, we're gonna do the rooster version. There is a dragon version. I have yet to play that one. Excuse me. Yeah, but I just sat down last time at this one and killed it. So we've got 40 bucks in. Why isn't it working? Hello? I guess I can't touch the screen. The touch screen don't work. All right, we'll try 2 cent, $1.50 to start out. Prosperous Rooster. All right, a lot of stuff can happen. He can throw down stuff. 6 balls, 3 of those, opening doors. You'll see it. We'll play it. We'll try to prosper. Six of those, but like now he could, if he wanted to, he could throw down some balls if he was feeling nice. So there's that random feature, or you can get 6 of them on their own. That's a nice one, $16. And they're very pretty, iridescent looking pearls. Volume is all the way up. Come on, baby. I was talking good about you. Hopefully it's not a bad omen that we had a rooster and now we don't. Got it! That didn't take too long. All right, 8 games with walking doors. We need a lot of doors. That wasn't very good. Ooh, those are all wild. So that's pretty good, I think. $12.50. Halfway through our free spins on this next spin. Come on, Rooster, make me prosperous. Do I have to hit the button? Alright, I guess I gotta hit the button. Alright, we need more doors. Fill it all up with doors, baby. Ooh, look at all those wild. That was $14. Or was it 28? I never really know. It says 14, but is that 14 with the 2 cent denom? Or I never know. All right, so those doors, all right, we're up to 40 bucks. They're gonna stay. We want more doors. Doors. Ah, it would have been nice if there's a wild there. 3 more spins. It's gonna be good. Come on, baby. Doors. I gotta hit it. Doors. We need doors. Not the best, but better than like 10s. Pretty quick. We're up to $53 right now. Come on. Doors. All right. We'll take it. Still not the best, but so now all of that will be doors to end on our last spin. right. Doors right here. Doors, 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 doors. Oh, they just went flying by. All right, $69.60. I'll take it any day of the week. Wow, that's pretty. Thank you, Prosperous Rooster. Put 40 bucks in. We've more than doubled our money. Thank you very much. Now let's try to get the balls. I don't know if we should stay at 2 cent 150, or now that we've got a little bit of bankroll, bump it up. I don't know. It's how you lose your money fast though, right? I think this is the bet I was playing last time when I played too. It was doing pretty good. Throw it down. Nope. I like to show you the ball bonus, pearl bonus, whatever, in case you didn't see it on my last video. I'll link it right here, my last one. Go check that out when you're done watching this one. Alright, you know what? What is 10 cent? Oh, I know, right? Like 10 cent. What's the minimum bet? $4? Let's do like 2. Oh, I would have crapped my pants if he decided to throw his balls down. I wish I could do that all the time. Play $4. Alright, that was fun. No, not really. I lost money. Okay, let's try 5 cent. $2. Balls. And throw your balls. Why are a lot of games like ball related? Like, are men coming up with these games or what? Balls, balls, balls. Always need a ball. So the mini's 50, minor 125, major $330, mega 1,166, and a $10,886 grand. Balls, balls, balls. Balls. Ooh, money's going fast, guys. We put 40 in. Ooh, I just saw a word ball.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir, I do. Yeah. Midwest Slots.
Midwest Slots.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
have to watch
Yeah, check it out. Hey, let me give you a lucky wristband.
What's that?
A lucky wristband.
Oh, sounds
Are
good.
you winning today or not really?
Yeah,
Oh,
pretty
good.
today.
Good,
Yeah.
good, good.
Yeah.
Well, continued luck.
You too.
Thank you.
I'll see if this thing works.
I hope it does. Gave him a lucky
You
wrist.
ever run across Mr. Anthony?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've done a couple videos with him.
Yeah, 'cause he's right in the area, right?
Yep, he's Milwaukee.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a nice guy.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay, let's get a bonus on 5 cent. $2. We're running out of money. Well, not running out of money, but our money's getting low. Balls. Throw your balls down. See, it's glowing now. That good old perceived progression. Ooh, I just saw a word ball above that ball. 250. Okay, maybe we gotta go back to my 2 cent $1.50. It was working a little bit better. Alright. Come on, let's get all my money back now. I got greedy. Oh, the guy already got a bonus. He put my wristband on and got a bonus. That's amazing. I hope he wins a lot of money. Ooh, that was a good one. Come on, balls. I really want to show you the ball bonus. Check out this guy over here. What's he doing? bonus on the lance. Oh my god. What a goofball. Alright, you guys hear the song? Everybody dance now. We got a bonus again. The guy I gave the thing to. I hear a whole lot of bell ringing over there. See? There you go. Congratulations. I hope so. I need a ball bonus. Come on. She kind of petered out. I talked about this Prosperous Rooster. And now, oh yeah, he got a $125 coin to drop over there. The nice gentleman.
You ever play these machines on your channel?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yep. Last time I was here, I played not that one, but one like it. Yeah. Yeah. What was your name? What's your name?
My name's John.
John, Sarah.
Sarah, nice to meet you.
Yep.
Good luck.
I hope so. I was up, but now it's taking all my money back. Pretty typical. Look at that. All right, let's bring some of that luck back my way, right? Okay, there's got to be a ball in there. Oh, we got it. Okay, good. Okay, so 2 cents. So 10, 20. Okay, we need a word to drop. I got a minor. I got a $50 minor, guys. I got a minor. Woo. Good, I needed that money back. I got me a minor. The old R. Kelly. Let's keep it going now. Drop some big balls. I don't want $1. Come on. Drop another word. Fill it in for $10,886 today. Come on. Keep it going. Ooh, boom, boom, boom. 2 more. We're going to get like the anxiety spins here. I don't see any light and it's on all. Ooh, right there I saw a light and then I saw it there. That's all right. We'll take it. Beautiful. You see that still? Yeah. That was a nice little comeback. I'm happy about that. Well, this is all times 2. $90. Woohoo! Good, because I was literally down to like $13. I'm prosperous again, guys. I'm prosperous. What am I at? $100? I put 40 in. I'm up 60. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna go be, greedy again. Wait, what's the max penny? Max penny $7.50. Oh no. Let's try $2 on 5 cents again. We got a little bit of cushion here. Maybe we can get something on 5 cents. But I don't think I'm gonna run it down to the ground. I say that now, but Dustin's over there like screen tapping the lamp. We got a double bonus. I hope he wins a lot of money. Drove me up here, hanging out. I hope he wins. Hope we all win. Oh, come on, balls. Fishies for $3. I want the rooster to randomly throw down. 3. So we got the last bonus we've gotten all our bonuses naturally, but like I said, he can randomly, if he's in a good mood, give you something too. 5 cent is not nice. I keep wanting to change it. This don't work. This is, oh, I didn't mean to do that. That was an accidental rapid fire. So far 2 cent, $1.50. I mean, the only thing I haven't done is penny denom. Oh, throw down a ball. This has been a good denom. Come on. One more before we hit $40. I'm not gonna go past what I put in. We were up 60, but I got to play a little bit on house money, and that makes me happy. That would have made me happy to get another bonus. I don't think I'm gonna go under 40. I say that, I keep saying it to convince myself not to. Oh, come on. What would you do? Would you just play it out? I mean, you only had 40 invested. Maybe you could get it back up to 100. Or would you just take your 40 and go somewhere else? Curious what you guys would do. Let me know in the comments. I love when you Lion Link, if you've never seen it before, I got to show you both bonuses. And I'm leaving with 25 cents. And I'm leaving with your thumbs up and your subscription, which is all free. So don't forget, it's all free. And I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.